In this video, I will teach you how to check if a Seiko watch is original or a fake. So, Seiko is actually a really reputable brand and we can actually see if it's authentic or not. So, first thing, you need to actually see if the crown is okay. So, this is what we're talking about. So, this right here is a legit Seiko. So that is because they have a screwed-in crown, and fake Seiko watches have their crown not screwing at all. So you can rotate it by simply pulling it without having to unscrew it. So next thing we need to authenticate is the bezel. You can see right here that this is the bezel that we're talking about. This is what authentic look like and this is what fake look like. Next thing is the dial. So this is what the authentic Seiko option have, which is actually kind of bold, and this is what the fake Seiko have, which is kind of thin. Next is the click count. You can see in here the click count, which is actually much more genuine, and it has a bezel clicking 120 times. They also have day and date that we can see right here. So this is authentic, this is fake. They also have second hands. So the second hands or the authentic is actually quite good and for the fake is not. They also have case back. You can see on the back right here. So this is what authentic look like and fake look like. So last is the lugs. You can see right here under the lugs that this is what it should look like, which is kind of leather, and the lugs for the fake is actually plastic. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.